Right, Martin, show the message.
What?
Message for the nice people at Oshkosh.
Hello Oshkosh, we're looking forward to see you in June. Is it June we're going now? By gosh Oshkosh.
Try again.
Action.
Hello Oshkosh, we're looking forward to see you in June. Scary War Boys are there for a massive party. And Matt, I'm bringing the Jura.
And translating for everybody else in America, Martin said, we can't wait to get there.